Say hi, Jonas.
Yeah, dude.
Say hi to YouTube.
Oh, yo.
Good enough.
Mom, I'm with spiders.
That reaction though. Perfect. When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
When you get some news and they're not that good. Wait, what? Preach for vodka, dude.
Everyone's just gonna start following them into the auditorium to watch their meet.
It's like the moments you need to jump just to get a good view. Jump! It's not. Recording there.
Something that should have been considered bad became so amazing. I think it's gonna collapse.
John, Kevin, Jonas. And people.
A bunch of people.
And a helicopter.
Bruh.
Da 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 da. Hey Jace!
Hey, asshole. Say hi. It's cause for some celebration. Got the pot in the bag.
Alright guys, that was it basically. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Oh, go. I meant to do that. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry.
He apologizes. Jonas, say bye. Bye. That's good enough.